All right, ready for your math test? All right, let me get this so you can see my paper. Now, the directions say follow your teacher's directions. So you need to listen. So you should have your pencil and your crayons because you're going to be coloring some things. And I'm not doing anything on here because I'm not giving you the answers, but I'm going to talk about stuff. All right. So the first thing you're going to do is look. It says look what month we're in. This is November up here. So this is the month. This is a calendar for the month of November. And what they want you to do are, let me read the directions here. They want you to color your days of the week. Just remember your days of the week. Where are your days of the week? All right. Remember we practiced them, our days of the week. So it says color the box for Sunday blue. So you see the word Sunday. You are coloring that word in the box. Blue. Sunday blue. Next color you'll need is red. Get red next. Color the box for Tuesday. Red. Tuesday is red. So remember, there's your days of the week here. Say them to yourself if you're not sure what they are. We've been practicing them. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You can say them to yourself to figure out which one, but you're coloring Tuesday red. Next, you're going to get the color yellow. Yellow is your next crayon. And you're going to color Friday yellow. So Friday is yellow. Color the box with the word Friday in it, yellow. Next color you're going to need is green. You're going to color Monday green. Coloring the box with the word in it, Monday green. And the last color you'll need for that is brown. Get your brown out. And you're going to color Thursday brown. The box with the word in it, Thursday brown. Thursday brown. So let me just review them for you. Sunday should be blue. Tuesday should be red. Friday should be yellow. Monday should be green. And Thursday should be brown. Okay, those are each worth a point. So if you have any trouble, go back and watch the video. All right, so it says count the days of the month and write the dates that are missing. So count the days of the month. So you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Write what's missing here with your pencil. 6, 7. What's missing here? So finish counting all the way and fill in the missing numbers. You're going to do that next. And continue counting. And write the missing numbers. All right, you should have that done. Now you're going to need to color red again. So grab your red crayon, and during the month of November is when we have elections. We elect our president, our people for our that represent us in Congress, and that's election time when you elect people to represent you. So it's always the first Tuesday. So this year, the election for on this particular calendar, the election is November 6th. So color the box for November 6th red. Coloring November 6th red. Next color you're going to get is blue. After you're done coloring November 6th red, get a blue crayon. Every year we celebrate Veterans Day. Remember, we had our celebration up at the church this year we had for them. And Veterans Day is always on November 11th. So you're going to color Veterans Day November 11th blue. So color November 11th blue. All right, and the next color you're going to need is brown. They want you to color Thanksgiving Day brown. It's always the fourth Thursday. This year, the fourth Thursday is November 22nd. So color November 22nd brown. November 22nd brown. Hopefully you can figure that out. You know, you can look across the top of your days of the week, which one's Thursday, and count down. It's the fourth one, the 22nd. Okay, and that's it for this part of the calendar. Now the things I'm going to talk about are your months of the year down here. So you have January, remember them? January, February, March, April. Okay, so you're going to be coloring these boxes with the months in them. All right. So the first direction says, color the month of Jesus's birthday yellow. So you're only working on these down here. Which one is when's Jesus's birthday? You're coloring that whole box. Color over the word. The whole box yellow. The next color you will need is blue. So after you color that, get your blue crayon out. So the next one, you have to listen. I'm not going to tell you what month it is, but it says color the month that it is now blue. So what month is it now? It's not November. We're not paying attention to this calendar, but on our calendar that we do every morning, what month do I tell you it is? So you're going to find that month on this bottom section here, and you're going to color it blue. So what month is it now? Next color you're going to get out is red. This one should be easy for you. It says color the month of Valentine's Day red. So you're going to color one of these again, one on the bottom. Which one is the month when we have Valentine's Day, you're going to color it red. And the last color you need is purple. And this answer will be different for all of you because it says, color the month of your birthday purple. So you should know which one's your birthday. Color the month of your birthday purple. So that answer will be different for everybody. So that's it for this front of this page. So when you are done, I don't know if I remember to tell you to write your name or not. If I didn't, make sure you write your name. All right, this back is pretty easy. You will need, I'll tell you what colors you need. Orange, blue, green, and yellow. Orange, blue, green, and yellow. And I'll tell you, this time you are coloring the box with the word in. Okay, this is what you're coloring on each one of these, but I'll read to you what it says. It says, find the fall picture. Color the bubble with the word fall orange. I'm calling those bubbles because they're rounded. So you're coloring fall orange. Next it says, find the winter picture. Color the bubble with the word winter blue. Coloring the word winter blue. Well, next we have spring. Find the spring picture. Color the bubble with the word spring green. Spring green. And last we have summer. Find the summer picture and color the bubble with the word summer yellow. You're coloring summer yellow. So let me just review to make sure you have, look at your what you colored, make sure you have them right. Fall is orange, winter is blue, and spring is green, and summer is yellow. All right, that's it for that part of the test. You should have your next part. Should look like this with the flowers. Write your name. Don't forget to write your name. And I will read to you what it says. It says count the objects, write the number. So you're going to count how many flowers you have, how many pennies you have, and how many bags of seeds you have, and write the answer. Take your time, count slowly, draw little lines on them so you don't make mistakes and count them wrong or count something over so you get a wrong answer. So take your time and count them. And the bottom is something different we're doing, but continue counting. Okay, you should hopefully be done with that. Now the bottom's a little bit different. You're going to be drawing. There's raindrops. It says draw more raindrops to make the correct number. The number is 15. Count how many raindrops you have here. Draw me how many more you need to make 15. So when you're done with your last number counting, start drawing as you continue counting till you get up to 15. So you will get a point for each one that you draw. You don't have to color them long as they're drawn. Okay, so you should have counted all these. Count all the way to the end here, and then draw me some to make it be 15. Okay, after you're done drawing, just to check to make sure you didn't draw too many, count all of the raindrops. Count these and the ones you've drawn all together just to double check to make sure you have enough enough raindrops made, or maybe you drew too many and you get a different number. But always go back and double check your work. Just make sure you're counting all of them. Okay, once you are finished, you can turn your page over. Remember, we were practicing some of this yesterday. It says, this is for the ducks. Okay, cross out to subtract. Complete the subtraction sentence. So we have 7 minus 2 equals, remember, what are you supposed to do with those ducks? We also have 6 minus 3. What are you supposed to do with those ducks? There's something you're supposed to do. It says cross out to subtract. So go ahead and do that. At the bottom, you're going to need some crayons for. Okay, hopefully I gave you enough time to do the subtraction. Now the bottom, you're going to need two different colors of crayons. Okay, it says use 2 different colors to color the cubes. Complete the addition sentence. Now we're adding stuff together. So your first number here is 3. How many cubes are you going to color? There's 3 cubes. That should be one color. 4 cubes, that should be a different color in the same row here. And then it's 3 plus 4 equals, so 3 cubes are one color, 4 cubes are a different color, all in the same row. Then you're going to count how many cubes you have all together. You're adding 3 plus 4. They want the 3 cubes one color, 4 cubes another color. You can pick what colors you want, or usually I think I make you guys use blue and red, but whatever colors you want. It got to be 2 different colors though. So 3 are one color, 4 the other. You're going to do the same on the bottom here. You have 5 plus 3. So 5 cubes are going to be one color. 3 cubes are going to be a different color. And then you're going to write me the answer. How many cubes do you have all together? Same up here. How many cubes are all together? So 3 cubes one color, 4 cubes, another color, a different color. How many cubes all together? 5 cubes, you color one color. 3 cubes, a different color. How many cubes do you have all together? Okay, now this was a math test. You make sure both pages, your parents take pictures of them and send them to me because it's a test. So I hope you understand. I hope I explained things well enough where you understood. If there's something you're not sure of and you have trouble understanding, ask your mom. Ask your mom or dad, whoever's working with you today. Say, I'm not sure what Mrs. Kirshner meant, and they can watch the video and they can hopefully explain better to you. But I think I did a pretty good job. All right, so all we have left for today is Bible. So I'll see you next for Bible.